To manage notifications for lock screen in individual apps in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and then we can enter a notifications section right here. And after that, we can go into advanced settings and find manage notification categories for each app. Make sure that this is enabled, and after that, we can go back to the main settings page and scroll down to the apps section. When you enter apps, look for an app that you want to customize for your lock screen. For example, we can go for the Gmail. In this case, let's go like this, and then we can go to notifications. When you enter notifications for that app, go to notifications categories and then select a specific notification category for Gmail. For example, if we receive a mail, we can click on it and then we can hide the notifications, like when we receive mail, from the lock screen right here, or if we want, we can show it as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.